Hi everyone, Del here, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Stealth stove by Polymath Products. It comes in at $7.99. It's a nice little versatile compact stove that'll fit into your pocket, into any kit. Weighs next to nothing, 100 grams, and it's made of stainless steel. So let's do a quick opening and a quick review of this. Don't forget to click the like and hit the subscribe. So let's take a look at the Stealth stove from Polymath Products, $7.99. I do like the Polymath product stuff. It's budget friendly, and it always seems to be decent quality too. So it comes with a nice hook and loop securers. So this is designed to keep it all together nice and tidy, but it's also designed to go onto your molly, so you can securely fasten it to your molly straps if you wanted to. Okay, it's super light, absolutely super light. Like I said, 100 grams is like honestly next to nothing. So that's the hook and loops off. We'll put them to the side so we don't lose them. And then just the instructions. It's got nice clear instructions, so it shows you how to put it together. I like that, it's really clear. So for the first time you're using it like that, the only thing I maybe have liked to have seen that in the card format. That way you could have put it with your kit, if you've only used it once or twice and you're not quite too sure about its configurations, rather than it being on paper. If it was on a nice waterproof card format, that would have probably been a better idea, but again, it all adds to the costs. So it gives you the different ways you can use it. You can basically have it up or inverted, and then that way the inverted gives you a larger surface for you to hold your pots on, your pans on, rather than the windbreak style. So let's take a look. So it's a nice quick easy diagram showing you how to put it together. As you can see, I've not had this apart yet, so let's get it all apart. Helps if you don't have big hands. So okay. So if you roughly saw what that was, it's all pre-cut. So as you look at it, they all just fit into each other. And yeah, I wasn't looking at the diagram. And then obviously our little triangle bit there, just to block it all together. Simple as. So the idea behind it is we can use it with different fuel types. You could use it with candles, survival candles, if that's all you've got in your kit. You could use it with your fuel gel, again, if that's what you've got in your kit, your solid fuel gels. And I can believe you can use it with a trangy as well, so an alcohol burner. So also use it upside down and use it as a normal wood stove. So you could actually take out your base and just use it as a solid wood burner, and indeed that lets you use it as a barbecue method as well. It explains that on the diagram there. So that way there like that, and then you could put that over your transit and gives you your base. That's nice and stable for you to put your cup on, your normal camping cup size. So yeah, like we're seeing, there's different configurations for it. So that's it with the alcohol burner. Take a little bit of shelf out, use that as your wood burner way too. Put your wood in it, let it burn, adds as a windbreaker on it too, and then just slot it all together. And that gives you your shelf for your solid fuel or your candle. So that's your Stealth Survival Stove by Polymath Products. I like it actually. It folds nice and flat, and like I said, we've got the Velcro to put it all back together when we want to. You see how quick that is now? And there you have it. Stealth Stove by Polymath Products. So that was a quick look at the Stealth Stove by Polymath Products. Absolutely weighs next to nothing, 100 grams, folds nice and flat, a little bit bigger than a credit card. You can store that anywhere, you know, keep it inside your cup, everything. For the price, $7.99, you know, what's not to like about it? It's pocket money prices. So maybe that time of year that we shouldn't be talking about it, but getting there closer to Christmas, these little things that you can start adding to your lists and stuff. So I just wanted to show you just a quick opening of that, and we'll get out and get these used. I'm so looking forward to getting out, getting outdoors this year. So maybe in a month or so I can do that. But yeah, just a quick review of the Polymath Products Stealth Stove. So thanks for watching, everyone. I'm hoping to post at least once a week now, so now that I'm back to getting a little bit of time on my hands, it should be quite good. So look forward to future videos. I've got a few things planned and a few different things planned, but as always guys, thanks for subscribing, and thanks for watching, and stay safe out there. Cheers.